parade. Oh yeah, huh? What's that noise?
And then he was like, "What?" And I said,
Is that the school season already? Phew, it's too early for school. In fact, it's too early for everything.
"It's the early bird that catches the worm." Oh no, my books don't fit in this old backpack. It's ruined.
Barbie, are you crying? But why? Oh, what a disaster.
Hey guys, what's all the fuss about? Everything's going wrong. I've torn my bag apart. How am I gonna go to school now?
Oh, poor thing, don't worry. Sam and I will help you.
I'll take care of these, but I have to finish something first.
Huh? Hey, Sammy, where are you going with my stuff?
Don't worry, he just needs some beauty sleep.
Good morning. Ugh! Hey, come on, Sue. That's mine.
Don't be such a grumpy head, Sammy. Haven't you slept enough to be full of energy? Get this! I decided to make a fashionable pretty skirt for Barbie to wear on the first school day.
Ooh, let's make her a skirt like ballerinas wear. I like them a lot.
You know I always like your ideas. But Barbie's not going into a dance school, so we'll make another skirt.
That's too bad. I always wanted to do ballet.
Well, it's never too late to make your dreams come true, you know?
I have a lot of dreams. I don't even know which one is the biggest.
Why am I not surprised?
Do you like ballet, Sue?
I do, but I think I'm a way better crafter than a ballerina. What do you say about this skirt?
I really like it, and it's of the best color ever, pink.
I hope Barbie will like this skirt too.
I will hide it, and it will be a surprise. Shiver me cheddars, what a mess. And what is this? Hey, Susie, check out what I found. You might need this for the outfit too.
Oh, it's perfect, Sammy. Thanks.
Wow, so what is it gonna be?
Soon you will see that. Just be patient. Now, a few cuts, a little bit of sewing magic. And we've got ourselves a fancy top perfect for a successful day at school. It only needs a few more details.
My belly is hungry. Time for a snack. It's gonna be so tasty. Uh-oh, what is going on?
Oh no! Are you okay?
Hail Tibidaba, I am, and I found something.
Oh, that's just what this top needed. Well done, Sammy.
As always, Sue, as always.
Okay, now let's get to the headgear. Now, what can we use to make this thing strong enough?
I have a few thoughts. This is for strong teeth, for strong taste, and this is just what we need. Just apply and let it dry.
Wow, nice rhyming and great problem-solving skills. Maybe you have decor ideas too?
Maybe, huh? Give me a sec. Not this. No. See? There's no maybe about me.
Nice! But we are not done yet. Be careful working with scissors, guys. Now, it goes right here.
I have something else for you, Sue.
Great thinking, Sammy.
That's not all.
Oh, wow.
Now it really looks perfect.
Sammy? What's that?
I wanted to fix Barbie's backpack and, well...
I see. It doesn't look like it's fixable at all. Let's just make her a new one.
I think I can speed things up. All done. What do you think?
Cool. I'm sure Barbie will love this color a lot.
Just the color? It's a unique Tibidabbian silk, just so you know.
Oh, right. Now, let's make sure Barbie can carry a lot of books at once.
I think it's worth adding more sparkle. Barbie is going to be very happy.
I agree. Let this backpack be bright.
Hey, I also have a few awesome stickers, so I thought we can really go wild.
I approve. With a backpack like this, Barbie will get a ton of compliments at school for sure.
I think think we need to add more pink to our crafts. Let's see, what do we have? Ow! Duh!
Right, and I already know what to make. She needs a watch.
There's no way I'm letting her miss lunch.
Or to be late for her class.
Yeah, right.
I mean, being punctual is very important when it comes to school, isn't it?
Yeah. Just don't forget to make the dial.
Of course, Sammy. I'm on it.
Come on, let's put it together already.
Here we go. So elegant and tasteful.
Let me help. Uh-oh, I think they're stuck.
No, they are not. See?
Here, the extra protection won't hurt.
That's a great idea. You're very helpful today.
Tick-tock, tick-tock. There's not much time left. I'm exhausted. All that school talk wore me out. There, a refreshing, delicious soda.
Oh no, are you all right? You'd better be more careful, Sammy.
Don't you worry. It was just a little performance.
You're such a prankster. Anyway, let's get back to our crafts. This will be a pencil case for all the things you take notes with at school.
We better make it sturdy, Sue. Voila!
Thanks for the help, Sammy. Now this part goes here. Be careful with the hot glue, guys.
Sue, I read your mind. You need scissors, right?
You never cease to amaze me, Sammy. Now check this out.
It needs more decor, Sue. Here, I've got it all right here.
And here is the result.
At school, you need markers, too.
But they are too big. We'll make smaller ones.
Okay. Want to see a magic trick? Bibbidi-bobbidi-subscribbidi.
Wow, good job, Sammy. And would you just look how perfectly it all fits in here? Wonderful! Barbie will be so happy.
Here, let me put it with her other stuff. Ugh! Oh, come on! I don't want an airplane. I want a love heart. One more try and... nothing.
Let me help you with this.
Am I reading your mind again or what?
Oh, you most certainly are. So, this will be a notebook.
I've got the pages.
Thank you. I'm sure she'll be writing in it all the time.
Then let's make it pretty, so she doesn't get bored, you know.
I like the way you think. And our cute notebook is ready.
Actually, I made one more.
Awesome! I like how it turned out. Just let me add a small decoration.
I didn't know you read minds, too.
Only your mind, Sammy.
Oh, my feta! I totally need a snack break, and it's better be sweet. Candy, come to Papa. Hey, Sue, what to do with this?
Let me see. We can use it to make a lunchbox.
Then this is the most important craft today.
Oh, Sammy, you always think about food. But it is a very important thing at school. I'll give you that.
You're not gonna change my mind. That's the most important part.
Okay, whatever you say. Okay, now let's make something delicious to put into our lunchbox. How does a burger sound?
A tasty, juicy, yummy-looking burger.
I guess that means that you liked my idea? And done.
Oh, my precious. If only I could have lunch like that, too.
I'll make you a burger in a minute, okay, Sammy? And now, let's have a look at everything we've made.
Well, oh, you will love it.
Now you can look.
Oh, wow! Is it all just for me? And the backpack? Amazing!
I'm glad you like it. Let's put everything inside, shall we? Everything fits perfectly.
And a new outfit, too? Unbelievable! I need to try these on right now!
See? I told you she would be amazed.
Well, how do I look?
Whoa! You look absolutely adorable. Oh.
Okay, last but not least, a stylish cap and your new beautiful watch, of course.
Thank you, guys. You're amazing. I'm gonna run to school now.
Friends, thanks for being with us today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
See you in our new video, folks. Try not to miss me too much. Bye.